Okay, I'm at Mike Serink's house here in Wilton. All right, and one of the things we spoke about was transplanting and shifting around some of the plant material around the patio as well as the front of the house. All right, so I'll put a kind of a budget together, a simple budget as far as what could be done, as far as using the material you have, but also adding some material to make it look really nice. So that was one component. The other component was the screening along this wall. So we're going to start the first group of plantings, most likely an evergreen, shade-tolerant plants in here, and then you could end up starting with a tree, say about here, and you finish over about here. So about 55, 60 feet of screening, and then bushes on both sides. Okay. Then we spoke about some lighting. So you could uplight some of these trees in the lawn. I would say you probably need 4 or 5 path lights for your front walkway. In the future, you could consider replacing the walkway, so I'll give you a sense of budget on that. You could consider also facing your stoop with natural stone. All right, so that's another idea. Okay, and I would possibly do some lights. Actually, I wouldn't do any lights in this center section. If you do any lights in here, I'd do path lights, because the problem is you won't get the right angle for the light shining up in these trees. Okay. There's the lawn.